Ano kami guys, magbantay kami ng mga alaga namin dito sa pool. Yan. Ganda siya yung compound. Tahimik, maraming kahoy. Take that. You know guys, I love to vlogs and videos. I'm gonna go back to the house because I want to get the towel for Ida because she needed too much.